Hey, good morning, folks. Jesus Mora here with Ridge 809, and I have a treat for you guys. We have a home for sale, 219 Stonewall Drive in Columbia, Tennessee. It's being offered for sale through Field and Beans Realty. Our agent, Alex Plunkett, great folks, great family, and awesome team to work with. 219 Stonewall Drive is a 2.5 bath, two-story home with a two-car garage. Beautiful front porch, covered front porch, as you can see. Nice little sitting area up front. And as you walk in, the home is beautifully decorated. It's already wired for a Vivint alarm system. It has AT&T fiber as well. As soon as you come in, you have an office space or what could be a formal dining room if you wanted to do it in that manner. Entrance to the garage right here on the left-hand side as you come through the foyer. And then a beautiful redone half bath down on the lower end floor. Nice, beautiful finishes, gray tones and browns, some good earth tones. Coat closet right here in the right next to the bathroom. Then you come in and then you have a beautiful open concept with kitchen, island, all appliances, gas range, microwave, dishwasher, and refrigerator. And a pantry for days. You can do and store all kinds of things in here. Very well done. Beautiful blue backsplash with subway tiled in granite countertops. As you can see, the open concept dining room right there in the middle. Coming into your living room, you have a awesome gas fireplace. We'll turn that on for you so you can see. It's amazing. We've used it just about every day of the year. So I think everybody will enjoy it. You can see that. Beautiful big windows that look to your backyard, private. On the back end, nobody's going to build back there, so you'll always have that beautiful, scenic, peaceful view of the woods back here. And then your door coming out to your covered back porch. This is a 10 by 20 covered back porch, fully fenced in with door access over here on the right hand side of the house. You have solar lights providing lighting in the back, and like I said, you have a Vivint security system with camera, motion sensor lights and everything. And for all you dog lovers, there's already a built-in doggy door on the side of the house, which is great. Leads into the living room, dining room area, so you don't have to worry about bringing in your pups. We have another storage closet. Storage is such a great option here in this house. And then we'll walk upstairs. The upstairs holds all the rooms, 4 rooms upstairs and a loft. So we also have the laundry room up here, which will keep the washer and dryer. So this house is move-in ready. Buy it, love it, get it moved in. You can see here, beautiful play area or study for young teens or kids with a common bath, double vanity, commode, shower, and then we'll turn on these lights here as well. We have another closet, linen closet over here, laundry room on this side. And I don't want to go in too much because I have a surprise that we particularly loved about this house. So let's go check out the other rooms first. all this beautiful light, big double window over here. As you can see, it's beautifully staged, and walk-in closet. What I love the most about this house is all the closets are walk-in closets. So storage is never gonna be an issue for you. Then you come down on this side, beautiful guest room. You can host family, friends, anything you like to do. And like I said, another walk-in closet with its own lighting as well. So you won't have to worry about looking through here at night. You also have natural light coming in from that great window. And then we'll come into the last guest room. Great nursery space. Right here, another big window. And then we have another walk-in closet with light. So storage will never be an issue when you purchase this home. Again, it's being listed through Field and Beans Realty out of Pulaski. Alex Plunkett is the agent for this. And now we're gonna go into a nicely done master right here. Beautiful big ceilings, windows. Right here, overlooking that serene back area and the back porch. As you can see, we'll get a little closer here, and you can see, look at that big area. Turkeys, rabbits, you can see the kids always love seeing the turkeys. And now we're gonna go into the master bath with a standalone tub and a shower. Double sink. So let's turn on all the lights here. Look at that. Nice relaxing bathtub. Come in, unwind at the end of the day. Beautiful shower. Double vanity sink with so much storage. You have drawers, drawers, drawers all up here, drawers right next to it. Beautiful cabinet space underneath. Private water closet right here on this side. So you can see that. And then you go into your master closet. You have room for days in this piece here. So, and now I'm gonna get you to the best surprise that you'll have in this house. As you're swinging around, all right, obviously you have a lot of laundry to do, and let's see what is behind that door. Right here, the master closet actually connects to your laundry room, which has been a huge convenience for us. You have light switches on both sides for the doors, so it's really convenient for everything. So this house is for sale, $495,000. It won't be on the market long. I'm going to tell you that right now. This is a very well sought after neighborhood here in Columbia, off of Trotwood Avenue. You have grocery stores. You have the hospital right up the road. You have Woodard Elementary, Zion Christian Academy, Columbia Academy up the road. You're basically 15 minutes away from anything that you'll need to do. You have quick access to Highway 412 to head west if you needed to, or you can get on to Interstate 65 if you were commuting north and heading to work. So this is a beautifully done home. We loved it here. It's our personal home that we have put up for sale. And like I said, the team at Field and Beans Realty, Alex Plunkett, I will give you his contact information here at the end and tag them on this video. Look at how peaceful this is. I mean, you come down, big, beautiful open space, redone fixtures here on the bottom floor, pocket lights on all of that, and nice light fan combo. So much light in here. It was a great home for us to be in. And tons of open space. I don't think you'll run out of open space. 2-car garage, great neighborhood. You can see the sidewalk right there in the front. Our neighbors are walking their dogs. Nice big office. Or you can use this as a formal living room or formal dining room if you wanted to. With the wainscoting and everything, like I said, it's already wired for Vivint. It's already wired for AT&T fiber. So anybody that works from home, this will be a great place for them. Nice front porch to relax in. And yeah, this is in the Morgan Meadows neighborhood. New established neighborhood. It's been around for a little while. But yeah, give Alex Plunkett a call, 931-698-9939 at Field and Beans Realty. You can also contact them at 931-347-6500, and they will get you squared away if you want to come take a look at it, or even put in an offer. By all means, let us know, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks. This is Jesus with Ridge 809 Land Solutions, and there'll be more stuff coming our way. Thank you.